commercial restaurant hood. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 96 inches, a height of 24 inches, and a depth of 47.5 inches, along with 5 removable grease trap filters. Each one can be removed and inserted back onto the frame. Measurements for the oil filter grease trap will include 15 3/4 inches in length, also by 15 3/4 inches in height. The thickness of the grease trap will be 1 3/4 inches in thickness. Located on the side will be the NSF certification and is compliant with the American Health Department. This applies for every single grease trap that will be included with the hoods that we sell. Come into the interior of the hood. On the top are 2 UL NSF certified light bulbs. Also located on the bottom left and right corners are removable oil pans that can be inserted back onto the clips. Each oil pan is NSF approved, stamped located in the back of the pan. And for the dimensions for the interior of the pan will include 3 7/16 in length, 6 1/8 inches in depth, by 4 inches in height. Measurements apply for every single pan that will be included for the hoods that we sell. Coming back of the hood are 2 power boxes with removable faceplates, 3 3/4 inches in length by 3 3/4 inches in height. And again, the 2 screws can be removed, holding the bracket containing the wire on the inside. And the bottom, a vent opening. The measurement for the vent opening will include 22 inches in length by 12 inches in height, with the interior measuring 20 inches in length by 10 inches in height. And last but not least, the depth, we have 4 inches. Separated by this strip on the back of the hood are top and bottom columns. The measurement for the top column will include 29 inches in length with a height of 9 inches tall. Measurements apply for the left and the right for this column, with the bottom left column measuring 29 inches in length by 15 3/4 inches in height. Measurements apply for the far left and right column. Last but not least, the center column measurements will include 26 inches in length, and located on the top left and right, lower left and right corners are brackets. Each bracket will include 2.5 inches in length by 2.5 inches in height by 3 inches wide. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.